Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 200 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the Zuri Flawless Shaping and Strobing Face Contouring and Highlighting Kit to try out, and this is a product that I picked up from the shopmissa website. So this is cruelty-free and only $1. But look at the size of this. I'm so excited to get into this, but first I want to announce another giveaway. So for day 100, I did a giveaway and I thought it was so much fun that I want to celebrate every 100 days. Oh, it seriously feels like just last month I was celebrating day 100. I can't even believe how fast the days have flown by. Hopefully, I've been seeing some improvement in the quality of my videos. I'm still working towards it. It's definitely a journey trying to figure out this whole YouTube thing, but it's absolutely a passion of mine, and I'm so excited to continue trying out new products every day. But let's just celebrate this milestone with a giveaway of, I'm going to keep it pretty simple this time. I'm going to do a $25 gift card to the place of your choice if you are the selected winner. I figured $25 because this is also kind of a celebration of my birthday, which was just last week, and I turned 25. Do I look older? But so yeah, a $25 gift card to the place of your choice, and it's going to be super easy to enter. All you have to do is 1, subscribe to my channel, 2, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @thelifeofchristina. Christina with a K. 3, in the comments down below, let me know how I can contact you, whether that's your Instagram name, an email, whatever you want. And 4, include in your comment the 2 products that I've tried so far in all of these 200 days of trying a new makeup product every day that are your favorites. So your top 2 favorite products that I've tried so far. So that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. I'll put all of that information in the description box down below. But I'm going to leave this giveaway open for 1 week, so it's going to close on August 26th. So good luck, and thank you so much for all of the amazing support that I've gotten on my channel so far. It's how supportive and nice everyone has been to me on my channel that makes me love doing this so much. And I'm very happy to give back to you all in a little way, and hopefully there will be more giveaways down the line. But so let's get into this product now. I can't believe this product cost $1. It looks like a high-end product, and these pans are huge. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. Hopefully they are as good as they look. Oh my gosh, this powder feels so creamy and so nice. So the swatches go in order of the palette. These 2 swatched pretty nicely, like smooth pigment, but then these 2 were kind of splotchy. I did my best to get decent swatches to show the color. This one you can't even really see, but it has like gold sparkle to it. I'm gonna start out by taking this matte highlight shade to go under my eyes. I did already put on my concealer. I used this Collab No Flaws liquid concealer, which is one of my favorite concealers. I did do a video on this, so if you want to see it, I will link it down below. I wish this had a mirror. So I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sponge. I can also link my review to this sponge down below. Okay. So here's the difference with the brightening powder, without it. My under eyes definitely look more smooth, slightly brighter, but there's really, in my opinion, not much of a color difference. I much prefer the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder to really brighten up my under eyes. So I'll link that video down below on the Banana Powder by Essence if you want to see that. So I think that's better at setting my under eyes, but this one is not terrible. The powder does look very smooth on my skin, and it's preventing the creasing that happens in the lines under my eyes when I use concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that same matte brightening highlight onto the center of my face where I also applied concealer. I am really liking the texture of this and how it looks on my skin, so I'm pretty happy. Also considering it's up to 25 cents for this powder right here, that's pretty great. For contouring, you get a cool tone and a warm tone. From the swatches, they look a little too cool toned and a little too warm toned for my skin, so I'm gonna combine both of them and do some contouring. Oh my gosh, that kickback is bad. That blends out really nicely. It looks pretty nice. It's blending out really well. So I definitely have some warmth and definition back into my face now. I really don't like how messy this is. The amount of kickback is crazy. Let's see if I can cut that contour using this highlight shade. Kind of. I feel like for $1, I'm getting a really nice contour. Now this highlight shade, I'm gonna try applying this the way that I would a regular powder highlighter, because I don't think I could use it to set my foundation because it just has like very big gold sparkle to it. It's very like glittery, but not shiny highlighty. Like it's a matte powder with gold glitter. Ooh, I just put that on my nose and now it just looks like I have sparkles on my nose and not highlight. Yeah, that one, not my favorite. It really just adds glitter to my face, not highlight. So I much prefer this one. This is probably my least favorite shade. And then these two mixed together, pretty good. Pretty happy with how my face is looking. I can't believe that this is only $1 because I think that this compares to the higher end contour kits that I've tried out. And you get so much product. I think it all blended nicely. I think that they sit very well on top of my makeup and look very smooth. So yay, I'm really happy with this. So far, I'm 2 for 3 of successful products that I tried out from shopmissa. Let's hope that the rest of the products that I try out are just as good as this one and the blush that I've been really loving. Since I wasn't able to get that shiny highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Lumi blush, which I will link down below if you wanna see my video on this. And that will help finish off my skin today to actually give me that shine highlight that I love so much, and also add the tint of pink color back to my cheeks. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite contour kit. I actually really like that LA Colors one that I tried before as well. I'll link that down below. There's a lot linked down below today, so make sure you check out the description. But I think that this one is my new favorite contour kit. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.